Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make mouth-watering meatballs and dumplings. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, in a large bowl, combine ground beef, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper. We're gonna also add in chopped parsley and 2 beaten eggs. Mix well until thoroughly combined. The full detail, measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Make sure you check it, okay? Next, portion the ground beef mixture with a nice cream scoop. Place on a parchment lining baking sheet. Now take the portioned meatballs and shape them into round balls. Next, bake the meatballs at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the dough for the dumplings. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, salt, milk, and water. Mix everything together until the flour mixture is moistened. Once everything is moistened, go ahead and knead until the dough comes together and is pliable. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and set aside. Next, in a large Dutch oven, melt butter. Add onions and carrots. Saute until the onions and carrots are soft. This should take about 5 minutes. Next, add garlic and cook for another 1 minute. After 5 minutes, add vegetable stock along with thyme and bay leaf. Cover and bring it to a boil. Next, drop the dough by spoonfuls into boiling stock mixture. This should be 1 bite-sized bowl, guys. Now add salt and mix well. Cover with the lid, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 15 minutes. Next, add cornstarch slurry, which is 1 cornstarch tablespoon plus 2 tablespoons of cold water. We're gonna also add in meatballs. Next, add chopped onion and turn off the heat. Add chopped parsley, mix well and Our soup is ready to be served, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my